Hello, I'm Rene Garcia, State Senator from District 40 and Chairman of the Health Regulation Committee in the Florida Senate. After months of meeting and listening to Medicaid patients, providers, and local government leaders, we have come to one conclusion. The Medicaid system in Florida is broken. Our current system is growing twice as fast as any other part of our state budget. Recipients having trouble accessing quality care, and fraud has grown out of control, particularly in South Florida. Our beautiful state has one of the most unique and diverse populations in the country, including a large retiree population. This aging population presents a serious challenge in our existing Medicaid funding structure. That is why today we introduced the Florida Senate's Medicaid Reform Plan. This proposal restructures the current system and provides more flexibility, efficiency, and personal responsibility while upholding our commitment to the millions of Floridians with disabilities who receive Medicaid services. This Senate proposes dividing the state into regions in which qualified plans will competitively contract with the state to provide Medicaid services. Additionally, these contracts will contain quality and performance standards for payment, thus ensuring citizens covered by Medicaid receive a high level of care. It guarantees the state dollars are spent with measurable outcomes. Our current fee-for-service system accounts for roughly 90% of Medicaid fraud. Our plan will help us control massive waste and fraud that costs Floridians millions of dollars each year. We can no longer sit back and do nothing. This is our time to make positive changes to the program and regain control of our budget while reaffirming our commitment to Florida's most vulnerable citizens. For more information on Florida's first Medicaid reform proposal, please visit the Florida Senate website at www.flsenate.gov. I look forward to hearing from you. Please connect with me on Facebook to learn more about the progress of this reform in the Senate and to share your thoughts. It's always a privilege to serve you. Thank you.